How to create offline collections. To create offline collections, you first need to sign in. Sign in using your existing ABB single sign-on account, or you can create a new one on sign-up. To view your collections in offline mode, you first need to edit your offline settings. On the menu bar, go to My Account and select Offline Settings and install the offline extension. When you have installed the offline extension, click on the Go to Search page button. I will now show you an example and do a search to find all the documentation on the Relion REX610 protection relay and its product version 1.1. Click Save to save your search results. You can either save your search as Save Search or as a collection. Today, I want to create an offline collection, so I will now save this as a collection. You can edit the name of your collection and add a description. You can also select a color for it. When you are ready, click Save. Under the My Library tab, go to Collections. To be able to view your collection in offline mode, activate Available Offline. Your collection will start to sync. After your collection has synced, you will be able to view it in offline mode. To change to offline mode, click Switch to Offline under the My Account tab. Now you are in offline mode and you can view all the documentation in your collection.